Hello, my people. No be the old bulldozer where them say them bomb be this. No be the bulldozer where they say them bomb. No be this side. That Utobo. Been they talk say they want put the fire. No be the vehicle be this. Eh? No be this one be the vehicle where they say they born. Utobo. Utobo. No be this thing they say they born. Okoko. Akwamota kasina ezuru. No be the thing where they say they born be this. I want go around at least go rewatch their video. Trap where we set for them. You dey see am? Go rewatch the video make you see am na the same old bulldozer where they talk say them born. No be the bulldozer be this. Anu here. Bushmeat. Bushmeat. No be motor when I say no be here the bullets they touch. See am. No be when they fire them. Ewu no be be this. No be the thing when I say una born. Okoko. Anekwa na akoheri. Bushmeat anu ọhịa n'eku unu dịcha ewu ọhụ mota kunu so n'unu born. Ọkwa mota ọkwa the same old tractor bulldozer asị n'unu born akwa dị ya nda na akoheri ye na-enyi nyagharị idu ezuzu ha go payload ha gba ọsọ ọ gaghị tinye ọkụ ka na-afụ ya anya gbagodi ọkụ na ha gba go payload ha gba ọsọ live tinye ọkụ mepe gas ya okay, wonderful people, please let me analyze the video for you a little bit. That shout, hey, whoa, they hear that time. Now when they knock the woman pama, they thought those bulldozers have been abandoned. They are shouting payload that they don't even know the difference. I can't tell the difference between freedom fighting and, of course, they know they are criminals. But if they can deceive them into joining in the first place, how would they know what is a bulldozer and what's a payloader? Please tell them open challenge. If they show you any video, they are on a daytime now. The so-called payloader is still there. Let them go in front of that vehicle and make a video. Let me see. Please, Governor Soludo, we are asking you this operation. That place is even Anambra State. The place that bulldozer is in Anambra State, and that bulldozer is a kind of not giving us what we want, and it can't work alone. We need like extra floor. That place is Orsu Imo. You can help us, even if the soldiers in Onitsha are not ready. They can send us those bulldozers. We'll be clearing why they themselves prepare for operations, because operations are not what you just start up doing. You have to pull men from so many places. Why they are at that, we can use those bulldozers to move further. That's the only thing we will clear that place with. And when this is all over, Orsu people, Orsu people, Orsu Imo people, they will need to drive bulldozers around all the places these guys were planting all these IEDs. That's the only way we can stop all these explosions that are harming our own people. Please, back to the topic. That they did not steal that. It was when they wanted to go there, because we don't want to go back. That's why those bulldozers are there. We don't want to move back. We are not pulling back. We will march until we enter that valley. We either seal off that valley with explosives or we go there, but be rest assured that every single person there will perish. We will take it over. So we left all those things there to show them that we are not going back. It's forward all the way. We are going all the way. We are going to press them until we vanquish them. Ijele Onyema can take them to his houses all over Nigeria. Yes, he can harbor them all he wants, since all these people from Lili, Iseke, and all these places don't want to help themselves. Let Ijele Onyema carry them, take them. Shebi Usabi fly them, go America. Fly them, but federal government will not spend 1 kobo in any amnesty program. I mean, they tell you. And for those of you that have been making some kind calls, Ijele is not leaving this place. Udele will remain in Orsu. Shebi now when I say when I want see me now, don't come now. And I say when I don't they make call. Even the chief of army staff cannot remove me from this Orsu because I'm in my land. Okay, because I am in my land. See, they hear the God. Yes, this is real life. No be movie. They don't shoot. They shoot very close to this place. So we are not giving an inch. We are moving. Please, we need those bulldozers. We need them. They are very important. Governor h0o, we need bulldozers. Nobody would give us this because they thought maybe it would get lost. And maybe that's why they are making all these videos, in order for people not to loan us bulldozers. Those of you that are interested in ending this scourge of hip-hop ESN, if any of you can offer us bulldozers, please, I will make sure it's returned safely to you. We are not moving an inch backward.